My name's Matt and we're in Prap in Darwin, Northern Territory. With the heat up here, obviously, we get high temperatures of around, right up to 38 degrees. So the temperature coefficient means basically that in really hot areas, our panels have the ability to basically still perform at a very high efficient rate, which gives the end user a better outcome. The temperature coefficient on these particular panels really ticks the boxes for us because obviously Darwin can get extreme heats right up to 38 degrees. Having a great temperature coefficient on the panel helps us continue the system to be as efficient as possible in heat like this. So the brief was they wanted a quality system. They did their own research, and after doing their research, both agreed that this was the best system for the premises, especially with a lot of the stories that we hear in the news today about average solar systems being installed. So with the temperature coefficient being so high, it just means the return on investment for our customer will be where we expect it to be, which is brilliant.